Hey, this is Politics with Laura, and I'm so politically incorrect. I saw this little couple of second video, and I thought it was funny. So I just hope that you receive it in the way in which I'm trying to show it. It's just what's funny. It is President Putin walking down the street and a bird, and Putin waves his hand, and the bird was like, "Hey, what up, Putin?" Just just look at it. It's funny. So again, it's just something that I found funny, and I thought I wanted to share. Oh, and fair use, fair use. And I'm learning how to use this thing right here. Okay, it wouldn't stop, but it was. I just thought that was funny how the pigeon just said, "Hey, hey, man, what up?" Now, there's something more serious. It's getting real crazy over there in Ukraine and Russia. Now, I'm just saying what is factually true. I don't have any emotional allegiance to any of this. I'm just presenting it as it is historically and what led up to what's going on. Now, I did a couple of other videos on here and my other channel, Big Girl Diary. And this would never had occurred. The Ukraine would not be at war with Russia, the Federation of Russia, if the Ukraine would have honored the Warsaw Pact and not fell in line with NATO, because NATO has its own agenda. Oh yeah. And the sad part about it is that the Ukraine is being used because of NATO's will. Now, NATO made a promise, backed with a treaty, with the Warsaw Treaty, back in 1949, to not come up on Russia's borders, do not encroach on Russia with capitalism. Now, the US did not want communism so close to the United States. It couldn't help Cuba. But back in the 80s and 90s, when there was a coup in Haiti, and Putin was going to come over and help Haiti, all of a sudden the US said, "Okay, I'll help you, Haiti." They're like, "No, we can't have two countries that are communism close to our borders. It's bad enough we have Cuba, and that's 90 miles away. No." But now it's not communism anymore. I don't know what to call it. But the UN, not the UN, but NATO broke its treaty. It put Poland has nuclear arms, just nuclear arms all over the place around there, and NATO broke its promise. So when the Ukraine was like, "Okay, I want to file to be a part of the United Nations and even EU," they're like, okay, Putin's like, "Okay, you have gone too far. Do not do it." Now, I think Zelensky should have listened to Prime Minister Bennett, the president of Israel, even though Israel, they have their own problems, and I don't know, there's some hypocrisy there, but I'm going to leave that for another video. But if President Zelensky would have listened to President Benton and just negotiated, this would not be happening. Yeah, it's sad. Mm. I'm trying not to be emotional about it, and I'm going against what I said I was going to do. So, I just wanted to show that video of that that bird. I thought that was funny. Okay, if you like my content, like, subscribe. If you think I'm totally wrong on the subject, put something in the comment section. We could go ahead and mix it up a little bit. And most of all, I want to thank you for being politically incorrect with me, because you are. You hang with me. All right. Bye-bye.